I was about to take a nap and I was like, you know what, let me get up and film this video before it gets too late. But what's up, and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. How are we feeling? What's going on? How's your day going? I have a surprise for you. Well, it's not really a surprise, I kind of mentioned it before, but in one of my videos a couple weeks ago I talked about how I was releasing a song. That song is coming out tonight at midnight, so I'm gonna play it for you as the song of the day. It's called Only One. Off my chest, frustrated. Okay, let me not play too much because you know YouTube. But that's the song of the day. I used to do like special things on release day, like I have a ritual, but technically the release day is tomorrow, so maybe I might. Drop a comment and let me know what I should do to celebrate the release, because part of creation is making, production, and release, and I think that it's very easy nowadays to just not release. Releasing can seem very simple, like, oh, just push the button, but for a lot of people, pushing the button is a lot. And so anytime you do something and you complete it, you owe it to yourself to celebrate in a little way. Let me know what I should do. So to pick your brain for the day, my question for you is, I wrote it down because I asked someone this: how have you been keeping yourself fueled and in flow? You know what time it is? It's time to take 3 deep breaths so we can dive into our affirmations. On 3, we're gonna take 3 big deep breaths, and on the 3rd inhale, make sure it's the deepest breath you've taken for the day. Are you ready? Let's do it. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Alright, let's dive in. Continuing with the heart chakra affirmations to make sure our heart chakra is balanced and even. My best is good enough. I said my best is good enough. Respect begins with love. Therefore, I love my entire self. Respect begins with love. Therefore, I love my entire self. All of my decisions are inspired by inner wisdom and compassion. I like that one. All of my decisions are inspired by inner wisdom and compassion. As I focus on compassion, I naturally relate to others with love and understanding. I said, as I focus on compassion, I naturally relate to others with love and understanding. Joy is the essence of my being. I am experiencing joy in everything I do. I am experiencing joy in everything I do. I am meant to live a happy life. I am meant to live a happy life. I give myself permission to experience joy. I give myself permission to experience joy. The life I've always dreamed of is created by my choice to be joyful now. The life I've always dreamed of is created by my choice to be joyful now. My choice to be happy is keeping me in perfect health. My choice to be happy is keeping me in perfect health. No matter how tired I am, I show up for myself. We're gonna say that one again. No matter how tired I am, I show up for myself. I am worthy of feeling happy. I am worthy of feeling happy. Following my joy reveals the path to my higher self. I am vivacious, joyful, energetic, and full of life. I am vivacious, joyful, energetic, and full of life. And you better say that like you mean it, okay? Come on. I am happy to be alive. I am happy to be alive. I know that I can always have more, but I could always have less. And so I say thank you for everything that I have. My inner joy expands when I share it with others. My inner joy expands when I share it with others. The happiness I feel is felt by everyone around me. The happiness that I feel is felt by everyone around me. I give myself permission to be happy. I give myself permission to be happy. To be here and in this moment. To feel everything and know that I'm doing my best. In this moment, I remove and release any pressure that I feel or have felt. In this moment, I remove and release any pressure that I feel or have felt. I deserve love, and I am loved for who I am. I deserve love and deserve to be loved for who I am. I am happy with who I am and will continue to love myself and show myself compassion and grace as I move forward in life. Joy will constantly find me no matter where I go. I know that I am loved wholly, even on my darkest days. I am doing my best. And today, I see that. And I choose to honor myself. My joy is mine. And I deserve to be happy. No ifs, ands, or buts. To close out, I want to say this affirmation with you. I feel like I needed it today, so let's say it together 3 times. Ready? In this very moment, I call all of my energy back to me for the good of all and with harm to none. In this very moment, I call all of my energy back to me for the good of all and with harm to none. In this very moment, I declare all of my energy come back to me for the good of all and with harm to none. Joy is finding me. Peace is finding me. Abundance is finding me now. I want to thank you guys for taking some time out of your day and spending it with me. I do not take it for granted, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you drink your water and mind your business. I'll see you tomorrow.